You're sumo wrestler with your fucking lean up blood clot shoes. And you wanna come and cuss me about my clocks? Me old child stunting on my clocks. My old child stunting on my clocks. Your shoes come from fucking Sports Direct, you fucking sumo wrestler. That rascal pissed me off, you. I'll put down the thing now, come on. Because you wanna fight me, come on. How dare you call me black and ugly? Have you seen the state of you? Come and move. Come and move. Move away from in front of me. Come and move. Come and move. Come and move me from in front of me. Come and move me from in front of me.
Stop it! I'm not just gonna have a stand up.
It's not part of blood slug, follow me. Then on the shop to come from me.
Put that down. They don't like us fighting against